guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to do my mystery sub box subscription reveal. I was going to wait and do like a full-on April haul with these in it at the end, but the stuff I ordered did not come in time. So if you have not gotten your May Scribble Print Co mystery kit or your April mystery kit from Glam Planner, do not watch this video if you want to be surprised. So spoilers, spoilers, spoilers. Okay, we're gonna do the Glam Planner one first. I'm gonna start with the teenies. Okay guys, these are adorable. So let me see if I can zoom in a little more. There we go. Okay, so this one is Gardening Teenies. How stinking cute are they? Then this one is like Rainy Day Teenies, which I feel like we had these before in a mystery. They were like blue, so these are really pretty. And then this one, they are like tie-dye shirts. They're super cute. Okay, so those were the teenies. And then I get the Lux Kit. So this one is so cute. I want to use it. Oh my god. I wish it would have came earlier because you'll see. Okay. So let's do the main kit first. Okay. Let me just make sure we're in there. Okay. How cute, guys. I love everything about this kit. It's very like gardening theme, and it's got this little bunny. This is like so pretty. Like I think I might bump some stuff. I don't really know what I could even bump. Maybe whatever kit I do for the week of May 18th. Because I don't think I have anything that week. And it's like the week between my daughter's 3rd birthday and my 5-year wedding anniversary. So maybe I'll throw this one in there. Love all these colors though. Check boxes. Sorry for the glare. I'm like trying to do this late at night with my little ring light. And then the 2 alternative boxes. All of your functional stuff. More functional. Your scripts, deco, more functional. Oh, I just love this yellow color. I think this is so pretty. Headers and washi. I love these washi strips because they are like the size of littles, so I feel like you get a ton of extra ones. Now that this is what her washi is like. I love it. And how pretty is this? How pretty is this bottom washi? Okay, so the extras. Guys, like stop. How cute is this puppy? And then you get the double box with the Lux. Such a pretty scene. You get your label add-ons. I really love these colors. These fashion girls, which they're just so cute. I love them. And you get the glitter headers. And then also the color, I think this is rose gold. This is for the glitter strip on the washi page. And then this. So these probably go over. Oh, let's see if we can figure it out, guys. Oh, so this one is for, I don't know if you'll be able to tell. This is for the bird box. I'm trying to see what, oh, that's for this one at the bottom here. I don't know. This kind of looks like maybe over there. Oh yeah, this goes, maybe it does go on all of them. Like where this is sitting, because this covers the hat. I don't know. Where are my other boxes? because there's like a ton of them. So maybe it goes on the Fashion Girl. Yep, the Fashion Girl shirt. This top one here. Then what is this bottom one? This one here. I don't know. Maybe this? Yeah. Yeah, it's this one. Okay. So yeah, you get that, and then these are all, every one of them, they're all half cut headers, so you can really like bougie this spread up. So I love that. And for the half cut headers, you can actually just put 2 of them together, and you can just use, you know, them as regular glitter headers. So that's great. So yeah, that was the Glam Planner April Mystery Kit in the Lux, as well as your teenies. Next, we are doing the Scribble Print Co. And like I said, this is from May. She ships out, Scribble Print Co. ships out super early, and Glam Planner ships out like towards the end of the month. So towards the end of the month you get your April, and then, you know, towards the end of the month you get that month's one. So they just ship at different times. So it's always confusing on which month is which. But this is, let me zoom back out. Okay. So this is the journaling card, so pretty. And then guys, this is the kit. Really fun colors, super summery. Love it. Love these colors. And then this is her new page. I just don't use these, so I mean, that's okay, because I always get the label add-on that just has more boxes anyway. I really like these little additional boxes. I like the Jeep. I think that's really cool. Deco. And these are some fun colors. All of your half boxes, quarter boxes, some more labels and bill dues. This is one of the pages that changed too in her format. Littles. And the bottom washi is like super cool tie-dye. I like it a lot. Alright, then, like I said, you get the label add-on with her Lux Mystery. You also get the glitter header add-on, the 15mm bottom washi, and then, so, she always does like, oh wait, no, there's more, there's Fashion Girls, sorry. And these Fashion Girls, they're super cute. I love it. And then she also did a wiggle, which I forget what she said this wiggle was, but like, look at it. Oh my god. So it's the star wiggle, so you get the little star pieces, the food doodles. It's like super like hollowy, kind of. Like it changes colors in the shift. Really cool. And then you get 3 of these pages with the half cut headers. So cool. Love this wiggle. I think she said she was bringing this one to the wiggle to the shop. She brings the wiggles to the shops, like any leftovers she has. So cool. Look. So fun. And then she was saying that she threw in some extras because like this was the wiggle it was supposed to be, and the color, it just wasn't coming up. Like you can tell on my icon sheet, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but there's like, it looks like fingerprints, like all up and down here and over here, but it's not. Actually, it is on the whole. I don't know if it is fingerprint, like I don't know, but it's only on this page. But I mean, if you like look at it a certain way, you can't really tell like in person. But yeah, and then there's nothing wrong with this one. Super pretty. And there's also day covers. Look at that shift. Oh my god. Alright. And then this is the new freebie with the mystery. I think she said she was doing this in every color. I don't know if this is for every mystery. I forget what but she explains it. I'll link the video below too, so you can hear her explain it. Super pretty. And then she also threw in this, I think it's a die cut or a sticker. I think it's a sticker. I don't know. Hold on, guys. I hate when I do this and then it's like just a die cut. I don't know. It feels really nice though. Super soft. Alright guys, and that is my mystery sub for the month of April. Everything I got in the month of April, which was the May SPC kit and the April Glam Planner kit and Teeny sub. Alright guys, next time I talk to you, it'll be another Plan With Me Tuesday. Talk to you soon. Bye.